Okay. Good morning, dear students. How are you today? I miss you all so much. Today, we are going to learn about a new topic. Its name is fraction. Again, it's fraction. Can you repeat with me? Fraction. Fraction. Okay. What's meant by the fraction? What's meant by the fraction? If I have a big pizza and there is a boy, he is very, very hungry. He needs to eat the pizza. So he will eat all of the pizza. Again, if I have a big pizza and there is a boy, he is very hungry. He needs to eat the whole pizza. So he will eat it by himself. This is called in fraction 1/2. This is called in fraction 1/2. Okay, and we will write number 1. This is called 1/2. What's meant by fraction? I have a big pizza and there are 2 hungry, boy and girl. 2 students hungry, a boy and a girl. I will divide the pizza between them. Okay, I will divide the pizza between them. Everyone will take 1/2. Every one of them will take 1/2. How can I write 1/2 in the fraction? How can I write 1/2 in the fraction? I will write 1/2 or 1/2. 1 dash and 2. This is called 1/2. 1, it means how many parts do we take? How many parts do we take? 2, and also 1, its name is, we called it nominator. Again, nominator. We can divide the word nominator. Okay? And 2 means the total of parts. 2 means total of parts. And we called it denominator. Can you understand with me? If there is any problem, please write in the chat. So it could be 1/2 or 1/2. What's meant by fraction? Here we have a big pizza and we also have 4 students. We want to divide the pizza 4 parts. Okay, so we can give every student 1 part. So we will take 1/4. 1/4 or quarter. Its name is 1/4 or quarter. And also we can say it's 1/4. 1/4. And let's remember that one means how many parts do we take? How many parts do we take? We called it numerator. And 4, it means the all parts. And we called it denominator. What's meant by fraction? Here we have the big pizza and we have 3 girls. We want to divide the pizza for the 3 girls. How can we do that? By fraction. We will divide the pizza into 3 parts and give each girl 1 part. It's 1/3. 1/3. Okay? And 1, it's numerator. It means the part each one will have. Numerator. And 3 is denominator. The all parts. Denominator. And also we can call it 1/3. So it's 1/3 or 1/3. In fraction, 1/3 or 1/3. What's fraction? Here we have a circle. A part of the circle is colored and the other part is not colored. So how can we know this in fraction? In the upper, we will write number of colored parts. And dash, and down we will write total parts, colored and not colored. Again, in the upper, we will write number of colored parts, and dash. At the down, we will write total parts, colored and not colored. Here at these circles, we have a blue side. So we will write the colored part 1 and then dash, and down the total parts, the white and blue. So they will be 2. So 1/2. It's half. 1/2. Excellent. Very good, Arwa. So 1/2 or 1/2. Then we have this pink circle. This pink circle, all of the circle is colored. So in fraction, it will be 1 whole. Again, what is fraction? Here we have a circle. It has 3 parts. 1 colored and 2 is not colored. Very good, Yemen. Excellent. So it will be 1/3. The 1 blue part, it's 1, and dash, and the whole parts, colored and not colored. They will be 3 parts. So it will be 1/3. 1/3 or 1/3. Very good, Eliazia. Excellent, Yemen. Then we have a circle. It has 4 parts. One of them is colored with the red color. Excellent, Yassine. Very good. So we will write 1/4. 1 for the part is colored, and 4 is for the whole parts, colored and not colored. They are 4, so it's 1/4 or 1/4 or quarter. Very good. Again, let's remember them all. What's meant by the fraction? Here we have 1 whole, 1 whole, 1 half, 1 half, or 1 over 2, 1 half, or 1 over 2. And then we have 1 over 3, or 1/3, 1 over 3, or 1/3. Then we have 1/4, 1/4, or 1 over 4, 1 over 4. Okay, now let's take some examples. If the fraction is clear, there's any problem? Okay, very good, Yemen, Yasin, Arwa. Choose the correct fraction. Choose the correct fraction that colored board. Number 1. We have a board is colored and the other board is not colored. So it will be 2 over 3 or 2 over 4 or half, 1 over 4, 1 over 2. Excellent. Arwa, Yasin, Ilyazia. Yes? So it will be 1 over 2. In the upper, we will write the number of the boards is colored. It's 1 board. And dash, at down, we will write the number of whole boards, colored and not colored. So they are 2. Yes, Khadija, Mariam, excellent. 1 over 2. Muhammad Farahat, very good. Then we have number 2. Okay. Who understand and can help me? Arwa? Arwa?
Over 4.
1 over 4. Excellent. Arwa, very good. Thank you. It will be 1 over 4. At the upper, we will write the board is colored. How many boards is colored? Just 1. And dash and down, we will write the whole boards that colored and not colored. The whole boards are 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1 over 4. Three. Okay, Habiba. Habiba.
Yes, miss.
Hi, Habiba. Number 3. Can you tell me the correct fraction?
1 over 3.
1 over 3. Very good. Excellent, Habiba. Thank you. Yes, it will be 1 over 3. Why? Because at the upper, we will write the colored board. It's 1 with the green and dash, and down we will write the whole boards, the colored and the not colored. They are 3 boards. Now we will solve with our booklet. Here we will learn how can we write half. How can we write half? H-A-L-F. And 1 over 2, 1 dash 2. Again, we will write half. How can we write half? H-A-L-F. Okay, H-A-L-F. And 1 dash 2. Then let's color the fraction of H shape written below. Here we want to color 1 over 2, or 1 half. We want to color 1 over 2, or 1 half. So we will color just one part, one part. Here at the circle, we will color one part of the circle. With the triangle and the heart, we will color one part. And the square, we will color just one part from the two parts. And also for the all shapes, we will color one part from the two parts. Then here we will learn how can we write third. Third, or 1/3. How can we write third? THIRD. And 1/3, 1-3. Again, how can we write third? THIRD. Okay. Very good, excellent. Now let's color in the fraction of each shape. Here we want to color 1/3 or 1/3. Okay? We want to color 1/3. So here in each shape we have 3 bars. 3 bars. So how many bars do we will color? How many bars from the 3 bars? Excellent, Yemen, Yasin, very good, excellent. We will color one board. So it's 1/3 or 1/3. Just one board. One from the 3 boards. Okay, now let's learn how to write quarter, 1/4, fourth. How can we write quarter? QUARTER. And 1/4, 1-4. And how can we write fourth? FOURTH. Again, one more time. How can we write quarter? QUARTER. And 1/4, 1-4. How can we write fourth? FOURTH. Okay, here we want to color 1/4 or quarter or fourth. So we will color just one part from the 4 bars. One part from the 4 bars in each shape. We will color just one part. This is called in fraction 1/4 or fourth or quarter. Now here we want in this tomato, watermelon, and strawberry, we want to color half. Okay, we want to color half. So we will color one part or 2 parts. How many parts do we will color? Excellent, Yemen, Muhammad Farahat, Yasin. Just one part, so it's half. In the second example, we want to color 1/4 or quarter or fourth. So how many parts do we will color from the 4 parts? 1. Very good. Excellent. Excellent, Muhammad Farahat. Very good. Just one part. Here we want to color half and quarter, 1/2 or 1/4, and circle the correct one. Number 1, this is square. How many parts in the square? Excellent, Yasin. How many parts in the square? Yes, Yemen. Here we have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bars. So it will be 1/2 or half or 1/4. Very good, Muhammad Farahat. The correct answer will be 1/4 because it has 4 parts. Number 2, Yassine, very good. Okay, Yassine, can you answer with me number 2? It will be half or 1/4? Yassine, can you raise your voice?
Okay.
Okay, it will be half or 1/4 or quarter?
1/2.
1/2. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Thank you, Yassine. It has 2 parts, so it will be 1/2. The last shape. The last shape have how many parts? Malika. 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 Can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Malika, the last shape has how many parts?
4.
4 parts, so it will be 1/2 or 1/4?
1/4.
1/4. Excellent. Very good, Malika. Very good. Thank you. Now let's move to the other page. Fraction coloring. Here we want to color 1/2 or 1/2. So we have 2 parts. We will color just 1 part to be 1/2 in the whole shapes. Then second one, color 1/3 with the red color. 1/3 with the red color. So here we have 3 parts. 3 parts. How many parts should we color? How many parts? Excellent. Yassine, very good. Yemen, excellent. Khadija, very good. So we will color just 1 part from the 3 because it's 1/3 with the red color. The last one, color 1/4 with the green color. In each shape, we have 4 parts. Each shape, we have 4 parts. So we will color just 1 part with the green. Now, let's choose the correct fraction. Let's choose the correct fraction. Number 1, we have colored part with the bank. And this is the colored part is 1. And how many parts? All of the parts colored and not colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1/4. 1/4. Okay. Who can answer? Ali? Ali?
Yes.
Number 2, ya Ali. Which one is the correct fraction for number 2?
1/2.
1/2. Excellent. Very good, ya Ali. Thank you. Number 2, we have just 2 parts. One of them colored, so 1 is colored and the all parts are 2, so it will be 1/2. Number 3, Yed.
Yes.
Number 3, Yed. Which is the correct fraction for number 3?
1/2.
1/2. Excellent. Very good, Gail. Thank you. Eliazia? Eliazia, can you hear me?
Good morning.
Good morning, Eliazia. How are you? Here we are at number 4. Which one is the correct fraction for number 4?
1/3.
1/3. Very good. Excellent. Very good, Eliazia. Thank you. Yes, we have just one part colored with the blue. So it will be 1, and the all parts 1, 2, 3, 1/3. Ru'a?
Yes,
How are you, ya Ru'a?
I can. Thank you.
Okay. Number 5. Which one is the correct fraction for number 5?
1/3.
1/3. Very good. Excellent, Ru'a. Thank you. Number 5 also will be 1/3. Here we want to match the correct fraction, match to the correct fraction. Number 1, the whole circle with the pink. So it will be, write in the chat, please. Yemen, excellent. Omar, Hussein, very good. 1 whole, it will be 1 whole with the number 1. Okay, number 2. Yemen.
Yes, Miss.
How are you, Yemen?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, number 2 will be which one of this fraction?
1/2.
1/2. 1/2. Very good. Very good, Yemen. Thank you. 1/2 or 1/2. Omar Rami,
Yes,
how are you, Omar?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, Omar. Number 3 will be which fraction?
1/3.
1/3. Very good. 1/3, Omar. Excellent. 1/3. Number 4. Nader.
Yes.
Nader, number 4. We will match it to which fraction? Nader.
Yes.
Okay, number 4 will match to which fraction?
4.
Excellent. 1
1/4.
over
1/4.
4.
1/4.
1/4. Very good, Nader. Very good. Thank you. We will match it to 1/4. Okay. Are you understand fraction very good or not? Please write in the chat. Fraction is very easy. Okay, very good. Arwa, Muhammad, Hamza, Yemen. Thank you, Yemen, Omar. Excellent, my dear students. All of you are excellent. So see you next session. Goodbye.